Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bluesky social app. We're going to use our phone device for this tutorial. If you're going to use iOS or you're going to be an Android user, it is going to be the same process. We're going to head over our phone, open the App Store if you are on iOS, or if you are on Android, open up a Play Store. Now, once you have opened your store, you're going to see all the apps in here. We're going to click on the search or the search bar at the top and type in the name of Blue Sky, and we're going to search. The app is going to be called Bluesky Social, and it is going to have this butterfly logo with the blue or the gradient blue font in the background. We're going to install the app, and after we have already put the credential of yours or the username, also the password that you have used to create your account, you're going to face up everything. Now, if you didn't notice, Bluesky is going to be very similar to Twitter or X now. So they have here, as you can see, the Discover page, they have the home page, they have the feed, and also the following and etc. You can like content, repost, or comment on the content or the posts, and also you can create your own post in here. You can choose who can interact into the post that you have created, and also you can insert whatever you want from images, videos, instant camera, and GIFs. Also, you can go ahead and select the post language, as you can see, and set it up. So it is going to be mentioned that it is not on the specific language that you have put. Now, you can go ahead and click on the top button of the app, so the right, as you can see, top corner, and you're going to see the feeds. The feeds are going to be like the hashtags. So these hashtags, you can go ahead and see all of the related feeds to them, or the posts to them. So you can go ahead and see whatever feeds that you want, for example, like artists. You can see that it has a lot of posts that are published by different users. So you can go ahead and create your own feed, but you need to use the app from the desktop. So aside from that, I have told you that you can comment or like the post, repost it, or put a quote post, and also comment on a post, as long as the producer of that post or the publisher has allowed the comments. Now, if you're going to create a post, it is going to be very simple. Go ahead and create your post, and then you're going to put it into a feed or something like that. You can go ahead and click on the search button at the bottom and see the trending feeds and also the trending keywords. You can see the posts, the users, or the feeds. So you are going to see the trending videos and every type of trending person as it is. For the chats, you can go ahead and have direct messages or DMs, or like any social media apps. Also, we have a notification center that you're going to find in the specific app. And for the account or the favicon or the emoji that has been created at the bottom right, it is going to be representing your profile. So you can go ahead and take a tour about your profile, put whatever you want, and see the different actions that you have put. Basically, you can go ahead and have the app also in here. You're going to head over the home button and click on the hamburger menu. You're going to see everything that has been listed at the bottom, but you're going to find, for example, the feeds, lists, profile, and settings. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.